everybody, welcome back. New year, new hair. So today I've decided that I want to make myself a fancy dress. I've been making a plan and gathering my materials, and I'm gonna start with this pattern. It's pretty Bridgerton, and no, I'm not really on that train, but I know it's a few years late anyway. But I picked it for the shape and for the tulle overlay, so that might give you an idea of my plan. So I'm gonna use this as my base pattern, and as always, just let my brain flow, go where I want to go with it. So I've got some fabric, and I'll show that. I'm gonna use, I've just decided, like right now, I had intended on maybe going to the op shop and finding like a light coloured dress to use as like a lining dress or the underlayer of my dress. But I've got a lot of fabric and I need to start reusing it up. So I've decided I'm going to mix, I've done videos with this satin before. This green is from a dress that I made, princess dress that I made for Violet, and also this blue is also another costume dress that I made for Violet. So my plan is to, as always, I don't do anything plain, so I'm going to mix these three colours together to make the lining layer of the dress. And then I've been super inspired by Rachel Burke. She's an Australian designer. If you haven't, I'll pop all of her information somewhere because I don't know, I just like her stuff, and she uses a lot of tulle, and that got me really excited because I really want to make something pretty like her. And I grabbed some more of this rainbow ombre sparkly tulle. It's got a hint of glitter in it, so that's going to be a part of it as well. And then this textured tulle situation. So my plan is a lot of ruffles, a lot of fabric, a lot of fluffiness, flounciness, and that is literally the brief, and I'm just going to go with it from there. Alrighty, so I'm going to start on the lining and then see how we go. Okay, so here is the lining. So you can see it's colour blocked basically, that's my plan. So bodice, lining, and then I went ahead and repeated the exact same steps to do the outside lining? No, outside fabric. The outside of the dress. You know what I mean. So now I've got to, the reason I did that was because I was making this and I was reading the instructions at the same time as I went, you know, as you do. And I realised that I needed to join this top layer of tulle with the lining layer, just so I would get a nice neck seam. And then I'm just going to leave the bottom of the bodice of both of them separate, so I can attach the skirt part of this, the tulle, to this, and then the lining part of the skirt to this section, because I want to give more fluff on this part, and that's where my brain is going at the moment. Just going with the flow. So I'm going to finish the bodice, and I'm just going to stay stitch actually around the armhole, ready for when I work out my plan for my sleeves. So I'm going to leave the tulle section of the skirt for part B,